Hi, this is the HealthAndYoga Kansa Wand. It comes with the instructions and a beautiful velvet bag for you to keep your Kansa wand in. It's a wonderful product, an Ayurvedic ancient technique to massage the face, to sculpt the face, to tone it and to improve the muscle texture. This is the Kansa wand with a teak wood handle and a beautiful shiny metal surface made of tin and bronze. It's called Kansa, the metal. It is used to tone the facial skin. Massage with the Kansa wand can be done using any serum or oil of your choice, like jojoba oil, argan oil, kumkumadi oil, ghee, or any oil blend of your choice. Start from the middle of the forehead, pushing outwards with gentle pressure. The bronze cap of the Kansa wand works on the energy fields to detox and relax the skin. Take the strokes to the temples to relieve tension. Tension causes wrinkles. This helps to tone and firm up the skin. The Kansa wand helps to remove crow's feet around the eyes. Also massage under the eyes to remove puffiness and the under eye bags. Start massaging your cheeks. Push outwards towards the ears and give yourself a facelift. Do small circular motions on the chin. It helps to increase blood flow and improve circulation for a healthy, glowing skin. Do upward strokes on the neck and the area under the chin to remove and tone up the double chin. Outward strokes on the jaw helps to tone up and achieve a defined and a sharp jawline. Pushing the facial muscles under the cheekbones helps to remove wrinkles. The HealthAndYoga Kansa Wand massage helps to drain out the toxins from the lymph nodes. It helps to remove face puffiness. A regular 5-minute massage with Kansa wand can work wonders. It's very easy to use and is a complete facial workout. And most importantly, this Kansa wand massage promotes deep relaxation. A perfect way to end your day. In the end, you can clean using a cotton swab with rose water or any toner of your choice. Just wipe off the excess oil.